The front of your house is the first thing visitors see, and well-placed shrubs can significantly enhance its curb appeal. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process of selecting, planting, and caring for shrubs to create a beautiful and inviting landscape in front of your home. With careful planning and proper techniques, you can transform your property into an eye-catching and welcoming haven. 1. Assessing your front yard. Start by evaluating your front yard's layout, taking note of sunlight exposure, soil type, and existing structures. Understanding these factors will guide your choices when selecting shrubs that thrive in your specific conditions. 2. Selecting the right shrubs. Explore a wide variety of shrubs that suit your region's climate and complement your house's architectural style. Consider factors like size, growth rate, foliage, and bloom time to create a visually appealing and low-maintenance landscape. 3. Designing the landscape. Plan the arrangement of shrubs to create an aesthetically pleasing landscape. Learn about layering, focal points, and how to use shrubs to frame and complement your house's facade. 4. Preparing the planting area. Prepare the soil by removing weeds, adding organic matter, and ensuring proper drainage. Understanding the soil's pH and nutrient requirements will promote healthy shrub growth. 5. Proper planting techniques. Follow step-by-step instructions for planting shrubs at the right depth and spacing. Learn the importance of watering newly planted shrubs and providing adequate support to ensure their successful establishment. 6. Mulching and weed control. Discover the benefits of mulching around your shrubs to conserve moisture, suppress weeds, and improve soil health. Learn the best practices for applying mulch and how it aids in shrub growth. 7. Watering and fertilization. Understand the watering needs of your shrubs and how to establish a watering schedule based on their specific requirements. Learn about appropriate fertilization to encourage healthy growth and vibrant foliage. 8. Pruning and maintenance. Master the art of pruning to maintain the shape and size of your shrubs. Learn when and how to prune different types of shrubs to promote flowering and overall health. Planting shrubs in front of your house is an investment that pays off with increased curb appeal and a welcoming atmosphere. By following this comprehensive guide, you can select the right shrubs, design a harmonious landscape, and nurture your plants to thrive. Embrace the joy of landscaping and create a picturesque front yard that enhances the beauty and charm of your home.